The immune system plays a vital role in helping us stay healthy, so it's extremely important to take care of it. One of the best ways to do so is to consume foods that are high in the vital nutrients that our bodies need. Organs, cells, tissues, and proteins make up the immune system. These organs work together to battle pathogens, which include viruses, bacteria, and foreign bodies that cause infection or disease. In this video, we'll go over the top 10 immunity-boosting foods to include in your diet. Before we get into it, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss out on our future uploads. 1. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient and mineral powerhouse. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can eat, with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and many other antioxidants. Cooking it as little as possible, or better yet, not at all, is the secret to preserving its potency. Steaming is the best way to keep more nutrients in your food, according to research. 2. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains theobromine, an antioxidant that may help to strengthen the immune system by shielding the body's cells from free radicals. When the body breaks down food or comes into contact with contaminants, free radicals are formed. Free radicals can harm cells in the body and lead to disease. Dark chocolate, despite its possible health benefits, is high in calories and saturated fat, so it's best to consume it in moderation. 3. Citrus fruits. After catching a cold, most people immediately turn to vitamin C. This is because it aids in the development of the immune system. Vitamin C is thought to boost the development of white blood cells, which are essential in the fight against infection. Vitamin C is abundant in almost all citrus fruits. With so many options, incorporating a squeeze of this vitamin into any meal is easy. Grapefruit, oranges, clementines, tangerines, lemons, and limes are all common citrus fruits. Vitamin C is needed on a daily basis because your body does not produce or store it. 4. Seafoods. Seafoods are high in zinc, which is why they are considered one of the best foods for your immune system. Zinc is a mineral that aids in the maturation and function of immune cells. Keep in mind that you don't want to consume more zinc than the daily recommended amount. Adult men should take 11 milligrams. For most adult women, 8 milligrams is appropriate. The immune system can be hampered by too much zinc. Oysters are one of the foods that contain the most zinc. In reality, 3 medium-sized oysters can provide you with the daily recommended dose. 5. Spinach. Spinach contains many essential nutrients and antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which can help to improve the immune system. Vitamin C and E may aid in immune system support. Flavonoids can also help to avoid the common cold in otherwise healthy people, according to research. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is a well-known ingredient in many curries. This bright yellow, bitter spice has long been used to treat osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis as an anti-inflammatory. High concentrations of curcumin, the pigment that gives turmeric its distinctive color, have been shown in studies to help reduce exercise-induced muscle damage. Curcumin has the potential to improve one's immune system, based on findings from animal studies. 7. Almonds. Almonds are high in vitamin E and contain healthy fats. Vitamin E is mostly overshadowed by vitamin C when it comes to preventing and treating colds. This potent antioxidant, on the other hand, is important for a healthy immune system. It's a fat-soluble vitamin, which means it requires fat in order to be fully absorbed. Manganese, magnesium, and fiber are also found in almonds. A quarter cup or a small handful of almonds is a healthy snack that can help the immune system. 8. Garlic. Garlic is used in almost every cuisine on the planet, and it can be beneficial to your well-being. One study looked at whether taking allicin-rich garlic supplements decreased the likelihood of catching a cold. Participants who received a placebo had more than double the amount of colds as those who received garlic supplements. Garlic can also help to prevent artery hardening, and there is some evidence that it may help lower blood pressure. 9. Chicken soup. Grandma's favorite cold cure is backed by science. Homemade chicken soup can really help you recover faster by easing your symptoms. It's more than the placebo effect that makes you feel better when you reach for chicken soup when you're sick. The soup can help to reduce inflammation, which may help to alleviate cold symptoms. Vitamin B6 is abundant in poultry, such as chicken and turkey. Nearly 1/3 of your daily recommended amount of B6 is contained in 3 ounces of light turkey or chicken meat. Vitamin B6 is involved in a variety of chemical reactions that occur in the body. It's also important for the production of new, healthy red blood cells. Gelatin, chondroitin, and other nutrients contained in stock or broth, made from boiling chicken bones aid gut healing and immunity. 10. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C, if you don't want to eat fruit because of the sugar. Red bell peppers have about 3 times the amount of vitamin C, 127 mg, as a Florida orange, 45 mg. They also contain a lot of beta-carotene. Vitamin C can help you maintain healthy skin, in addition to boosting your immune system. Your body transforms beta-carotene into vitamin A, which helps to keep your eyes and skin healthy. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the advice given in this video. Millions of people all over the world are infected with various viruses and infections. Thankfully, by eating some of the foods listed in this video, we can always take better care of our immune systems. Keep in mind that you should always seek medical advice and care from your doctor, since they would be more knowledgeable about your specific situation. Which of these foods will you be adding to your diet? Let me know down in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Here are some other videos you might like. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related content.